So what Business Insider's investigation uncovered is deeply disturbing. Multiple former and current XAI workers say they encountered not just sexually explicit content, but user requests for material that crosses into CSAM, or child sexual abuse material. So let me be clear. The presence of those requests and even reports that Grok in some cases generated some such content speaks to serious failures of moderation and content filtering. It does not necessarily mean XAI has a policy of permitting or endorsing CSAM, but it does show that the systems intended to prevent this kind of output have significant gaps. What XAI should be doing and what the public should demand is, first, zero tolerance, hard exclusions for any involving minors. There should be no gray areas when it comes to sexual content involving children. The system must categorically refuse such prompts without ambiguity. Next, transparent and auditable reporting to authorities. If XAI is receiving or generating content that even approaches CSAM, it must report those to bodies like NCMEC in the US or relevant agencies in other countries, as other AI firms already do. Surprisingly, XAI reported zero such incidents in 2024. Next, independent audits and red teaming. External experts, not just internal teams, must stress test Grok, trying adversarial prompts, and assess whether it can be made to violate its policies. Stronger human-in-the-loop oversight and escalation protocols. Wherever content is flagged, there should be rapid escalation, human review, and an immediate removal of blocking of any model feedback loops that might learn from that content. And finally, transparency to the public. XAI should publish summaries of how many CSAM or borderline prompts were flagged, how many were blocked, error rates, and what the corrective steps they have taken. In summary, the revelations are abhorrent and demand accountability. I'd say the responsible thing to do is to condemn the lapses, call for immediate reforms, and stress that with tech as powerful as this, we cannot afford safety by hope. We require safety by design, especially where children are concerned.